Hi, I'm Chad Luce. I'm the executive chef at Red Mountain Resort in St. George, Utah. And today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy buttermilk ranch dressing. This is pretty easy to do. Helps if you start off with a strong blender. We're going to add in about 3/4 of a pound of light cream cheese, also known as Neufchâtel. This tastes just like cream cheese, but it has the benefit of being about 30% lower in calories and saturated fat. So it's a win-win. So next up, we're going to go ahead and add in our sour cream. We're going to add in apple cider vinegar. Fat-free buttermilk. This cuts out a lot of calories but still gives you the buttermilk flavor. And having enough of this in here will make sure that everything blends up easily. Now we're going to add in roasted garlic. And we're going to start adding in our smaller ingredients. So we've got our kosher salt, onion powder, a little bit of minced shallot, fresh basil, if you have it. If not, dried basil will work. Just use about half the amount that the recipe calls for fresh. Same thing with our fresh thyme. Fresh herbs are always best, but there's always room for substitution as well. Now we're going to add in our dried oregano, dried marjoram, crushed red chilies. You can leave these out or cut these back if you want to cut back on the spice a little bit, but the amount that we're adding in here shouldn't be too hot. We're going to put in a little bit of Dijon mustard. Spoon that right in there. Some white pepper. Now that we've got everything combined in the blender, we're going to put the top on. And this is very important. You want to make sure that when you start blending anything, you start off on the lowest speed possible and then gradually increase the speed. If you start off on high, it might not work out quite so well. So here we go. Once everything is fully incorporated in the blender, we take the lid off. We're going to go ahead and pour this right into a bowl so it's ready for dip. We might garnish this with a little bit of paprika or chili powder. And there we go. So this is ready to be both a salad dressing and a dip for vegetables and crackers. I'm Chad Luce, and that's how you make a low-fat buttermilk ranch dip.